Hey everyone, welcome to another legit food review. Today I'm going to be reviewing, I don't know what this is, but it's going to taste good. It's a Tacobell, churros or something, and a Big Mac. I also got some guacamole.
Oh my gosh.
And fries. I honestly think this is gonna taste good. Like, it looks really good. I'm trying to eat over here. That's pretty good. That's really good. Shit. I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
Oh, that's hot.
It's leaking.
It's leaking. Oh, we gotta see the insides. Oh, that's hot. Look at that. That's cheesy.
This is really good. Fuck. Okay. I would definitely recommend the Tacobell Big Mac. It's actually, I'm not joking, it's actually better than a plain Big Mac. It's fucking good. I would rate it like fucking 6 out of 5 because it was delish. Thank you for watching. If you want to see us do some more legit food reviews, don't forget to comment what you want to see.